Good morning, everybody. I have pulled up a live volcano map that I have never seen before. This is going to be a really quick video. As of Thursday, 7/12/2018, which is today, total eruptions this week, 15. Total deaths worldwide, 200,000 plus. And 1,500 active volcanoes. Global eruption status, calm. Okay? And this, we all know where all the active volcanoes are. And anyway, like I said, this is going to be kept short. I just wanted to give you these numbers and bring you up to date. All right, everybody. Have a good day.